introduce myself. My name is Devinta. I'm from 12th culinary class. Today I will serve room service.
Look at the Knopfler menu. Write the order in captain order. Check all orders. Deliver the orders to guest rooms.
Room service. Room service.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Devinta from Room Service Department. I will serve your breakfast menu. Excuse me, ma'am. Where can I put your breakfast, ma'am? This is your bread. This is your sliced fruit. This is your papaya juice. This is your orange juice. Pudding with flour. And this is fried rice with satay for main course. Anything can I help you, ma'am? Please enjoy your breakfast, ma'am.
Room service. Room service.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you finished your breakfast? May I clear up? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your bill. Please check your orders. This amount, 170 rupiahs. Wait you for payment. Please signature in here. Thank you and happy nice day, ma'am.